Hi guys, this is Wana from the Midnight Mouse, and one more package just arrived for me from Dolls Moe, and this time I ordered a new body for my Miss Mouse, which is my first Pullip doll. And my choice was actually the Obitsu body, Obitsu 24. It's my first time having one of these bodies in my hands, so we'll see together how they look, and later I will actually move Miss Mouse on her new body. Here is my Miss Mouse awaiting her new body. Since I've never had one and I did not know exactly the color differences between white and natural, I ordered both of them. So here is the white one with M breast size, and the second one is in natural with smaller breast size. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find both of them on stock with small size chest. So yes, in this case we'll have an overview also regarding the bust. I think the white one will fit better to the color skin of my Pullip, which is in normal, as I remember well. I really love their feet. They actually have details. And I think here we can add magnet if necessary.